Hey friends, it's me, Erin, your friendly neighborhood energy alchemist with today's Schumann resonance report for Wednesday, October the 2nd. It's only the 2nd and I still had to check the date. Whoo, you guys, we have been getting a ton of new energy. We had a big X-class solar flare yesterday that came in right about here. This started at 11 p.m. my time yesterday. This big spike of new energy came in at 1 o'clock p.m. my time yesterday, followed by about 11 o'clock p.m. all this new energy coming in. My guess is we're still receiving some of this new energy. With new energy like this, it tends to make people feel a little anxious or nervous. And the reason is because your base vibration, there's a gap between your base vibration and the energy that's starting to come in. And the gap between that energy creates a reverberance of energy and can cause you to feel nervous, anxious, or restless. There's something I should be doing and I don't know what. This also tends to give me a ton of energy. So last night I was up a bunch. I had a bunch of ideas. I was getting up at 2 a.m. and writing them down and doing all kinds of stuff last night. Lots of energy coming in here. This white light is always super, super high vibration coming in. It's always connected to a lot of energy that is associated with awakening and excitement and ideas, but it's up to you to embrace this, friends. This is never being forced on you. This is always just being offered to you. I did not pull cards today because I want to address a video that I was tagged in probably 20 times yesterday from Jordan. I really love Jordan, alive and kicking, love that guy. But he asked a couple questions. He asked about the SOS 70 up here. I can tell you SOS 70 means Solar Observation Station number 70. I don't know this for sure, but I'm pretty sure this is the Tomsk station's attempt to copyright this material so no one could use it because they were trying to charge people for it. It has been there for months and it is not a signal for help. As far as I can tell, it stands for Solar Observation Station number 70. The other question he had was, he said the graph went down yesterday during the solar flare. Again, this is something very, very common with this particular station. Big flares like that tends to knock out their instrumentation for a short period of time because it is a lot of energy. As you can see, it's back up and working fine. They do not update this graph for the public more than twice a day. It is only twice a day that it comes out, morning and afternoon. Usually this is our morning update at 5:15. It might have been 5:30. So take advantage of this good energy coming in today. If you have an idea, write it down, start working on it. Start indulging in this goodness, friends. And remember, something that came through in meditation this morning was very much about you don't have to prove your story to anybody. Sometimes we feel like we have to talk about all the struggle we went through in order to accomplish the goal that we have reached when we're talking to someone else. Subconsciously, this tends to come from the idea that we don't want them to feel bad that they have not made the same progress we have. However, you don't need to justify how you got where you are. If someone's going to be upset that you're further along than they are, there's nothing you can say that's going to make them feel better. And there's no reason to drag your story down into the dirt just so they feel better. You know what I'm saying? So before you start dragging forward all of your past and talking about how you've worked so hard to get where you are, which is not to discount that you have, it's just to remind you, you don't have to drag all that up. You don't have to prove that you're worthy. You just are. And maybe that's the hard work for a lot of us, is letting go of that need to prove ourselves to people. You know what I'm saying? Every morning I come out here and the sun is a little bit lower in the sky. It is going to be an absolutely gorgeous day here in Illinois. A little bit on the chilly side for me, but I still am going to enjoy the big, beautiful blue sky that's above me and the sun that's rising right over that horizon. So beautiful. Let's start this day off right, shall we? All right, we're going to start by taking a nice, big, deep breath in all the way down to your toes. Ready? In. Release. Good. Drop those shoulders, friends, and just remind yourself that today is a great day. It's a brand new day and it's full of possibilities. And even though it may be unknown, the unknown is where all the possibilities lie. So try to look at the unknown with excitement and anticipation rather than dread, because friends, you can't go anywhere new if you don't try going somewhere new. You know what I'm saying? So walk into your day today just reminding yourself that today is my day. It's a beautiful day and I can literally do anything I want with this day. Yeah, it's a great day. It's a great day. Great day. Did you hear? It's a great day.